The Honor X6b is a budget-friendly smartphone that punches above its weight in terms of features and performance. Here's a concise review of the device, covering its key aspects over the next 4 minutes. The Honor X6b offers a sleek and modern design that feels premium in hand despite its affordable price tag. It has a slim profile with a lightweight body that makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. The back panel, although made of plastic, has a polished finish that gives it a stylish look. Available in a few attractive colors, the phone appeals to users looking for aesthetics in a budget device. Equipped with a 6.5-inch HD+ LCD display, the Honor X6b delivers decent visuals for casual media consumption. The colors are reasonably vibrant, and the 720p resolution is adequate for viewing videos, browsing the web, and using apps. While it's not as sharp or vibrant as some higher-end models, the display performs well within its price range. Brightness is sufficient for indoor use, though it may struggle a bit in direct sunlight. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G37 processor paired with 4GB of RAM, the Honor X6b provides smooth day-to-day performance for tasks like social media, browsing, and light gaming. It handles multitasking quite well, and switching between apps is fairly fluid. For gaming, it can handle less graphically demanding titles, but performance may drop with heavier games. Given its price, the overall performance is satisfactory and well-suited for casual users. One of the standout features of the Honor X6b is its triple camera setup, headlined by a 50MP main sensor. In good lighting conditions, the camera performs admirably, capturing sharp and detailed photos. It also comes with a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor, which add versatility for close-up shots and portrait modes. Nighttime photography, as expected in this price bracket, isn't stellar, but still usable with a little tweaking. The 5MP front camera is decent for selfies and video calls, but won't satisfy avid photographers. The Honor X6b comes with a 5200mAh battery, which is one of its strong points. It can easily last a full day of moderate use, and with power-saving features, it can stretch to a second day with lighter use. This long battery life makes the phone a great option for users who prioritize battery longevity over frequent recharging. Running on Honor's Magic UI, based on Android 12, the X6b provides a user-friendly experience with minimal bloatware. The interface is clean, intuitive, and customizable, which is a plus for users who want to tweak their device's look and feel. It also comes with useful features like app clones, one-handed mode, and various customization options to enhance usability. The Honor X6b is a solid choice for users seeking an affordable yet capable smartphone. It shines in terms of design, camera quality, and battery life, though its performance is more suited for casual use. If you're after a budget device that delivers value without breaking the bank, the Honor X6b is definitely worth considering.